student. So class 11, I hope you are doing well in your home. That means you are safe also and studying properly. Definitely it is high time you have to study. The school is not open, so we can't help it, but we are trying to help you in all such ways in which we can do. So previously I have already sent you 2 videos on the chapter atomic structure. This is my third video on the same chapter, but today my topic is emission and absorption spectra. Now, what do you mean by spectrum? In class 10 you have learned that when light rays, that is visible light, passes through the prism, white light, that is visible light, after passing through the prism, it spread into 7 colors. That is Vibgyor. 7 colors are there, you know it. So the splitting of white light into 7 colors, that is called spectrum. You are very familiar with this. Now the light rays, that is electromagnetic waves, light rays are electromagnetic waves. It has different light rays which have different frequencies and different wavelength. Some rays which are visible and some which are not visible. Some rays comes under ultraviolet region, infrared region, and some are within the visible region. We are able to see the colors of only visible region. We are unable to see the colors of infrared or ultraviolet region. Now it has been found that when light rays fall on certain atoms or molecule, they get excited. After excitation, they emit some radiation. So when light falls on them, they absorb some rays and they emit some rays. So due to this absorption and emission, 2 kind of spectra can be seen, which can be seen by the spectroscope. And there is a vast knowledge of scope of that, and we are coming under this, that is emission and absorption spectra. This one is the emission spectra for hydrogen atom, which I have drawn. This is the electrical discharge tube. The hydrogen atoms or molecules are excited by passing electricity through the discharge tube. Actually, either I have to supply heat energy or some other kind of energy. So if I am not supplying heat energy, I have to supply electrical energy for the atoms to be excited or to absorb energy. So this is the electrical discharge tube where hydrogen atom is there. Now the ray is coming from this discharge tube. It is passing through the normal prism and then this spectra is absorbed. I have drawn this here in a broader sense. What is the difference between normal spectrum, that is by the white light formed, and this spectrum? The difference is this is a spectrum which is not continuous. In case of prism, the spectrum formed is continuous. That is, the 7 colors, they mix with each other. The boundaries are not well defined. But in case of hydrogen atom, when I have studied the spectra, I have found that it is not continuous. Some separate colors can be seen separately. This one is red, this one is yellow, this one is blue, this one is violet. So this is all about my emission spectra. Next topic is my absorption spectra. Absorption spectra means the light rays which are absorbed by a particular atom or molecule when we have gone through the spectroscope, that is absorption and emission spectra, both figure you can find it clearly. Through spectroscope, this kind of absorption spectra has been seen. So what you can see here, that is the normal continuous spectra is there, but there are some dark lines. Some dark lines are there. These dark lines represent that these rays are absorbed by the atoms or molecules. That means the wavelength of some rays which are absorbed they corresponds to these portions which are represented by dark line. This one is the emission spectra, where in between the dark portion some different color lines can be seen. So this is also called line spectra. Separate lines are visible in between the dark portion. Why this is so? This one is so because in case of emission, these particular wavelengths are emitted, and here in case of absorption, these particular wavelength of rays are absorbed. So from the figure it is very much clear difference between emission spectra and difference between absorption spectra. Absorption spectra is almost continuous, not completely continuous, almost continuous, but in between the continuous rays some dark lines are there. In case of emission spectra, it is dark. In between the dark portion some lines are there which are colored lines, and these color lines corresponds to the light rays emitted by the atoms or molecules. Thank you very much.